Palantir planted the prospect of a rebound as its Q4 results posted revenue of $1.41 billion versus around $1.32 billion expected, and adjusted EPS of 25 cents, driven overwhelmingly by U.S. momentum. U.S. revenue jumped 93% year-over-year to $1.08 billion, with commercial revenue surging 137% to $507 million, and government revenue up 66% to $570 million. Total revenue rose 70% year-over-year, and Palantir generated GAAP net income of $609 million and adjusted operating margins of 57%. Looking ahead, Palantir's guidance was the real catalyst. It forecasted Q1 2026 revenue of $1.53 to $1.54 billion and FY 2026 revenue of $7.18 to $7.2 billion, implying roughly 61% growth, well above consensus. U.S. commercial revenue alone is expected to exceed $3.14 billion in 2026, a 115% increase, underscoring a strategic shift beyond government dependence. Contract momentum remains strong, with $4.26 billion in total contract value, a 138% increase year-over-year. These lofty projections are helped since Accenture and Palantir launched the Accenture Palantir Business Group, where Accenture is a preferred global partner for enterprise transformation. The group will be staffed by Palantir's forward-deployed engineers and more than 2,000 Palantir-skilled Accenture professionals, helping clients integrate siloed data into AI-powered decision-making systems. Initial momentum spans government, energy, and oil and gas, with expansion planned across healthcare, telecommunications, manufacturing, consumer goods, and financial services. The collaboration emphasizes data center and AI infrastructure programs using Palantir Foundry and its artificial intelligence platform. On top of that, Palantir significantly expanded its partnership with HD Hyundai, marking its largest and longest collaboration in Korea. Originally launched in 2021 with HD Hyundai Oil Bank, the partnership now extends across shipbuilding, construction equipment, electric systems, robotics, marine aftermarket services, and other subsidiaries. Palantir's Foundry and AIP platforms will be deployed group-wide, supporting initiatives such as refinery optimization, predictive maintenance, sensor analytics, and HD Hyundai's Future of Shipyard program. The companies plan to establish a center of excellence to train and support HD Hyundai employees. In the wild arena of computer vision data, InnoData was selected by Palantir to provide data engineering and training data services for AI-powered rodeo event analytics platforms. Under the agreement, InnoData will deliver specialized annotation and multimodal data engineering for thousands of hours of rodeo video footage. This work enables computer vision models to identify animals, riders, and skeletal joints, supporting automated performance metrics across events such as bull riding, bronc riding, bareback riding, and barrel racing. InnoData's teams will work directly within Palantir's development and deployment workflows, processing complex data types including video, imagery, documents, and multimodal sensor data. The partnership also includes support for generative AI workflows on select Palantir programs, ensuring scalability, accuracy, and operational rigor. Palantir's head of machine learning, Dimitrios Limperopoulos, said InnoData's high-quality training data and data engineering expertise will help scale Palantir's advanced AI capabilities, including computer vision and secure decision systems. Palantir also kept up long-term confidence in December when it renewed its contract with France's domestic intelligence agency, the DGSI, for an additional 3 years, extending a partnership that began in 2016. The agreement includes the continued use of Palantir's data analytics software platform, along with integration, support, and operational assistance services. Palantir's software has been used to support sensitive intelligence operations and major national events, including the 2024 Olympic and Paralympic Games in Paris. More broadly, Palantir continues to expand its government footprint globally, benefiting from strong margins and significant earlier contract wins. Notably, it has secured a U.S. Navy contract worth up to $448 million to modernize shipbuilding operations. So if you're on board with the Palantir ship, please like and share this video with your intelligent investor friends on places like Reddit, X, Telegram, StockTwits, and your own group chats. Sharing and liking the video also helps informative videos like this come out faster to people like you who will enjoy them. And as always, for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.